Alright guys, for your gas furnace, have you noticed this when your burners kick on? Just wait for a minute. And then they cut right off after about 5 seconds. Well, that's an easy fix. That's going to be your flame sensor. It's a little rod that goes in. And all it does is it senses the flame. It's going to look pretty much like this on any make and model. So if your burners are coming on like that and then cutting right back off, it's going to be your flame sensor. So you just need to take some light grade steel wool and just clean that off just a little bit. And usually that does the trick. It just gets little carbon deposits on it. And you're just going to put that back in there. This particular one just has a little 1/4 inch set screw. And then give it a whirl, and most likely it's going to stay on. So we'll try it out here real quick. I'm just jumping it out at the board here to make it a little faster than having to go to the thermostat. So we'll wait for our typical sequence of operation, our pre-purge motor. That's going to start. Just prove that the flue's clear. There's no obstructions. It takes it about 30 seconds. It'll send the signal back to the control board. And then say, yep, the flue's good to go. And then we'll get our hot surface igniter that's glowing in there. Next sequence is going to be your gas valve.